Hello! It's been a while since I posted a video, quite some time actually, and today I want to play some classics. So I'm going to start off with some Gain Ground on the Sega Genesis, because this is a game I played not a lot, but from time to time I would play this as a kid. And I have fond memories of playing this, although I don't remember a whole lot about it. So we're just going to dive into this and see if it's everything I remember it being. So let's discover this together, shall we? Okay, level 1. Round 1. Oh yeah, you get a couple different characters. Oh. Is that? I swear that's Bob Saget. Hold on, let's look this up. Yeah, I don't care if his name is Johnny. His name is Bob Saget. Let's go with Bob Saget. So we got, okay, and the other button is north, okay. Not bad. That's easy. We got a full house here. Oh, look, a little kid. Daddy, daddy, daddy. Save me, daddy. I swear I've seen that face in a meme before. Well, let's choose her. If I recall, if you killed all the enemies, yeah, if you kill all the enemies, it's over. But I believe you don't get to keep the hostage character unless you take them to the exit. Oh, that's who I saved. Samurai Man. But we're gonna go with Bob Saget. Because he's Bob Saget. I mean, right? Bob Saget, the game. This is the Lost Full House game. Okay, let's go with this dude. Oh yeah, we got some high go over barriers. There we go. Let's go. Let's see what this guy does. I didn't know samurai shot fireballs. I thought they had swords. But we'll deal with it. Sure. Ooh, nice. Oh, really? Well, okay then. Let's take this dude. Can I just... You guys aren't even gonna shoot at me, are you? Okay then, let's pick you guys off. Let's take care of those guys first. Throw spears at the speed of light. Ooh. Oh no! I didn't save the person. Well, sorry, arrow dude. Darn. Okay. That's a lot of guys. I'm gonna say I should go with... Wait. Oh, that was a fire dude that I lost, wasn't it? I was gonna use him. Okay. Okay, this is another arrow guy. I'm assuming he's gonna be just like the native guy. Okay, Bob Saget. He's the MVP here. Yeah, Bob Saget, he knows what's up. He is a seasoned veteran. He lived in that house with really two annoying little girls, so he knows what's going on. can excuse me, if you can survive with the Olsen twins, then he can survive anything. Well, just about, right. The heck are those guys in the hole doing? That's indecent. Okay. Anyways. Well, I'm gonna have to go with Mr. Bob Saget again. He's a seasoned veteran. Got another little baby behind me. We'll get all but one of them, so we don't lose our guy. Okay, we saved somebody. Charge! Okay, for once, Bob Saget might not be our go-to guy here. Let's try Arrow Man. I think the H means high, like he casts something that goes over a wall. I can only assume L means either low, like low range, or like low to the ground, or it might mean low range, like maybe it doesn't shoot very far. Oh yeah, this guy. Let's go with him. That's not very far range. Okay, so it doesn't mean... H doesn't mean high range. I guess that just means throwing stuff over walls. Yeah, that's close. I need a long range guy to get close enough to hit a few dudes. Ooh, close. Ooh. Oh, there's two people to save this time, isn't there? Aha! Take that. I want to try and get one side clear to give me enough room to escape. That's the plan, at least. And not run out of time. How do I open the door? Oh, shoot it. Okay, see if I can make it. Alright. Now the rest is a job for the cleaner. Bob Saget, the cleaner. I remember as a kid it was always exciting to be like, ooh, what's this guy gonna be? And then he ends up being really terrible or something. Come on, little boy. There we go. Let's see who we got. Okay. Oh. Old guy in a skin suit. That's not creepy. Oh. 80s stereo guy. I think it's a bazooka though. But still. That's very 80s. Or maybe early 90s. This is what, 92? Well, I don't know who to choose. I'm just going to try this lady. I don't know what she does yet. Boomerang. Cool. Oh, it alternates directions. That's cool. I like that. So I get to go left and right, huh? That's a pretty good utility there. I like that. So I could just go like this. Oh yeah, look at that. It's a thing of beauty. Just die. Okay. Stage 8. What is this? There is somebody to save up there, though. He'll be our, Bob Saget will be our extraction person. Oh, these guys are just gonna keep coming, aren't they? Oh, crap. Oh, crap. Let's go save our guy first. Oh, no! Bob! Bob! Oh, no, we gotta go save Bob. Mission priority, save Bob. This guy looks fast. I was wrong. Not that fast. Oh no! Oh no, Bob's gone forever. This means war. This means war. I think. Let's get this new person first. No! Okay, I was doing good, and now I was doing bad. That bazooka sounds like a fart or something. This guy is slow as molasses, though. I don't know if he can clear the fire. No! That's close. I don't think the fire's gonna reach him. Well, now it doesn't matter. Gosh, he is so slow. Come on, you can do it. The bazooka's not that heavy. Come on. There we go. Now I can move a little quicker. Well, we may have lost a Bob Saget, but we've gained a... Well, what have we gained? Let's see. We've gained a guitarist. Oh, he spins around and shoots. Because that works. Nothing ever goes wrong when you spin around and shoot your gun, huh? Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa. Good lord. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let's just squeeze through. Oh, didn't think I'd make that. What would Bob do? He would use his north shots to take care of things. Go with this dude. Let's not forget to save our guy. Yeah, I can squeeze through. Oh, what? Oh no, he tricked me. That was dirty. That was some Dark Souls stuff right there. You don't know what's going to happen until you try it. That was some Dark Souls level griefing. They must have been playing Gain Ground before they made that. Last stage of round 1. Oh, there's 4 of those dudes? And some big old purple dude. Well, let's try our best here. That wasn't too bad. Oh, what even hit me? I know the fire got me, but before, I died a little bit before it got to me. That leaves me a little confused. I guess we'll go with her. Let's not save our dude yet, though. How do we save somebody? There's no exit, huh? I don't know if it's possible. Might as well take him, I guess. Yeah, I think if anyone dies or is lost. Yeah, I could not do this with a touchscreen. I'm glad I'm not. And now we find this. Is this a bad guy? Or is this... Oh yeah, he's a bad guy. Oh. Okay, let's try this guy. These guys don't reach all the way, do they? Oh, they do. I'll prove your worth, bazooka guy. Show us you go for something. He's farting out fireballs. Oh. There you go. Oh, the music changed. Round 2. I like the old music better. Let's go for some grenade action. There's another guy over there. Oh, no. Oh, I saw that coming too. Oh, I'm almost out of people. Didn't realize that. I'm getting careless, huh? Whoa. Let's carve a path this way. Let's carve a path down the side. Unless I die. Ah. Oh. As long as I get to see who that other person was. Oh, this is what I got left, huh? I'm screwed. There's no way he's making it. I might as well be crawling. I kind of am. Oh, I don't want to save them. Doesn't matter, I'm gonna die anyways. Oh god. Take as many with me as I can. At this point, I might as well go pick them all off. I'm not going to fit through there at this slow speed. Whoa! Whoa! You can't shoot an arrow that fast, come on. I guess Maya couldn't either, though. I was throwing some fast spears. I think several miracles have occurred, because there's several times I definitely should have died. Woo! Ah! Just a little bit further. Oh, there we go. Oh. Yeah. All my grunting is probably kind of weird. Whoa. Why? Oh, actually, no, I don't really have to kill that guy. I just have one person left. Oh, I can't make that. Okay, oh, no. Ah! Ah! Yeah, that's right. Let's just squeeze past. I did not think that was possible. I proved myself wrong. I don't see this happening. Well, maybe this guy can do it. Let's save him for after this guy dies. What? Are you serious? After all that, that's how I die? Oh man. Oh boy. Oh, what? Oh, those guys must take 2 hits or something. Well, that was fun.